Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to turn 4x4 on Ford F250. Start the truck, apply the parking brake, shift the transmission to neutral, then select 4H for road use or 4L for low-speed off-road. Confirm engagement by feeling drivetrain feedback or checking the 4x4 indicator light on the dash. If engagement fails, try switching between 2H and 4H at low speed, or consult the owner manual for transfer case guidance. Knowing when to use 4x4 keeps your Ford F250 safe and drivetrain healthy. Use 4H for snow, rain, mud, and light towing at normal highway speeds. Shift into 4L when crawling over rocks, climbing steep grades, or pulling heavy loads at low speed. Remember to disengage four-wheel drive before returning to dry pavement to avoid binding and premature wear. Always check the dash indicator to confirm proper engagement. If your F250 won't engage 4x4, stay calm and work through simple checks step by step. Verify the 4x4 indicator and listen for mechanical engagement from the transfer case. Try engaging while stationary or at low speed following the truck's procedure, and cycle between modes once more. For electronic systems, inspect fuses, vacuum hoses, and shift linkage for damage, and have a technician check the transfer case.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.